Hi everybody, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings and the 2018 Creators Blog Hop. This month, January, we're doing the blog hop on the Occasions catalog. So I want to show you one of my favorite stamp sets is in this catalog is the Lovely Wishes. I just really like it. It's a two-step stamper. You can see it's got all of these that stamp in it. And it's just a really great fun set. I'm going to show you 3 cards doing with this. I don't know if I'll have 3 videos, but at least this one is a good video to start with. This is called using a little note card. So what we're using is, we are using, of course, the Lovely Wishes. We are using for ink, Garden Green, Pear, Pizzazz, and Flirty, Flamingo. And then we're just using one of the note cards. But we're going to be using something really special today. I want to show you Stampin' Up's new tool, the Stamparatus. If you haven't already reserved it, too bad. It will be in the new catalog in June, so you can buy it there. It's a great tool. It's a positioning tool, and it makes stamping so much easier if you have problems with your hands, things like that. Let's bring this up so you can see it. It's about 8 inches by 8 inches, maybe a little more than an inch thick. It comes with 2 plates that go in like this, and what's great is that you can, this black one is for if you have photopolymers, but you can stamp on this if you don't, if you have just the red rubber, what we call the clear mount. So this is really easy. It comes with 2 magnets on the back. I am only going to use one because I'm scared that I'm going to hit them. I've wrapped these in washi tape so they don't, hopefully they don't break if they come together. But always keep them apart because they do break if they snap together, and they're magnets, so they really want to snap together. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am just going to put my note card in there, and I'm just going to put the magnet right down here. I want to get it right in the corner because if I want to do multiples of them, then I can. I know exactly where it goes instead of having to measure it and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I want to lay down the first stamps that I'm going to use. I'm going to do these in the Garden Green. So I want these down first, okay? So I know where they're going to go. I will tell you that we've had problems if you put it right up here in the corner. Let's put this up there. If you put it right up there, the stamp up there, these come up a little bit higher than over here, and so they don't come. So you may have to put a shim. You notice I had a piece of cardstock on there. You can put a shim, a cardstock, or a silicone pad, your silicone craft mat. Okay, these, let's put the saying too. How about just this saying on this one? You are one of a kind, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this. I'm going to what I call pick up the stamps. Now I want to keep that right in the middle, so there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, let's bring this up a little more. I'm going to ink up those stamps. Now let's take this off. This is one of the old-time stamp pads, and we really have to hit it. I don't want to break the... But you know what's the nice thing is if you don't get it all, you can go back and redo it because it's going to be in the same place. You don't have to worry about lining it up. And okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold this back. And there you go. Now what I want to do is I want to color the inside of those, the different green. So I'm going to do that with the Pear Pizzazz. Okay, just like that. Now I don't even have to take those off, you see? I am just going to use this one. Pick those up. Put my Pear Pizzazz, oops, sorry for wiggling. Put my Pear Pizzazz. And again, this is a there we go. Now I'm going to turn this one around because I want to do the flowers in the flowers in the pink flamingo, Flirty Flamingo. So I'm going to put that one right like that. And let's see, I want that one right over there. And I think this one goes right here. I'm not certain. There's two small ones, medium-sized ones, and I just don't know which one goes where. I'm just going to use this one. It's a watercolor look, so it doesn't really matter. And again, then I'm just going to pick them up. And you notice, see, look at here. Well, maybe you can't see. I've got some, what I would normally put as crud on the other side, and it didn't even go there. Now I'm just going to ink these up. See, like that. Don't have to worry. And there you go. Quick, easy. Now to clean these, if you want to use different colors, just get a baby wipe or a paper towel with water, and it cleans up so nicely. Now I'm ready to do 2 or 3 more. So anyhow, this is, I just call this my Lovely Wishes note card. It's a great little note card, just like this. And it's so pretty and easy to do. Remember, in June you can start ordering your Stamparatus if you haven't already reserved your copy. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.